Hello all, welcome to my channel. Uh, Today agenda is picture class. Okay, let us discuss about the picture class in a Cobol. How we are going to use this picture class. Okay, let us start. So picture class in a Cobol, the picture class will represent the attributes of the variable. Okay, picture class will represent the attributes of the variable, characteristics of the variable. Okay, where we use this picture class in Cobol. Hope you remember, right? While is a part of a declaration of the variable, that is declaration of data name. Okay, where we declare this variable in which division, which section. If you remember, it's well and good, or else I'll tell. We are going to declare the variable in working storage section. The working storage section is under data division. Okay, division working storage section. Okay, so let us see one example. 01 employee number, that is data name or variable name. Picture or PICTURE picture. Okay, 9 of 8. Okay, 9 of 8. So 9 of 8 value 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the way we declare the data name in Cobol or variable in Cobol with this picture class. We can write the picture, or it is more than enough to write the PIC. Okay, generally in real time also we can write PIC only. We don't see the picture. If you write also, compiler won't throw an error. Okay, so picture, how we are going to declare this picture is, it represents what is the data type. It will tell what is the length of the data type, what is the length of that variable, and what value we are going to assign. So everything will be with the picture class. It's a very important. So it will tell all the characteristics or the attributes. The picture class of this variable, so the level number is 01 and data type is numeric and the length is 8. The value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, like that we can use the picture class. We'll see some a few examples with the different data types and different values. Okay, I already coded somewhere, and let us paste here. See here. See, these are some examples here. First, we'll discuss about this numerics. Second, we'll discuss about this alphanumeric and alphabetic. Okay, WS address. Okay? What is the picture class of this variable? Picture is data type is X alphanumeric, and the length is 10. The value is become 10. Okay. Okay. Now, if I display this variable, now where we display in procedure division, some paragraph, right? The initial para. Okay. We start, and from 12th column we write the display number is WS hyphen N, full stop. So, and write stop run. Okay, what will happen? What if you run this program? What is the value it will display in a spool? Is P, I'm sorry, this is not a WSNO, right? It's a WS address, WS address. So if you execute this program, if you compile and execute this program, what is the output we can see in full is Chennai, right? Chennai. Here you need to know uh, the length. What length that we have declared? It's a 10 bytes, right? 10 character length. So what value we assigned? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. Only we are taking only 7. So remaining 3 spaces it will go waste. That we cannot see here. Okay, the value will get stored from the left corner. Okay, from left corner. CHENNAI space space. Okay, this is the value. To display, this is the value. Okay, first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bytes, and remaining 3 are the spaces. This is the value it will get to display. But since it's a spaces, we cannot see. But internally, the data will display like that. Okay. Now let us see what is the value of WS name. WS name. What is the data type? It's a character. It's a character type. That means it will allow only alphabets. It won't allow any numeric. Okay. So how we can depend with force? Okay. See, if I display what is the if I display this variable. Okay. Name is WS name. Okay. How if I execute the program, what is the output? Okay. We can see this Shiva Tech channel. So this is I declare as A of 20, and oh, how many character we declare here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. 17, right? 18, 19, 20. That means remaining 3 are spaces. Since it's alphanumeric or alphabetic, the data will store from left side corner. Okay. This is the alphanumeric class and alphabetic picture class. And the length and the value. How if we give the input like that, how the data will be stored, where the spaces will store and all. Okay. How the data will be stored, how the data will display. Okay. And let us see how we can display the numerics. Okay. Generally, we will format these variables in a real time while writing the new programs, and it will be in the same line, and also it will be in the same line, so that it will be very good to reading. Easily we can understand. Okay. The WS number. I declare this variable WS number with fixture class of data type 9, 5. 123. I assign the value 123. Now I display the value here. Okay, you can write small case letters also, but generally we write all uppercase letters. Okay, what is this number, right? This is the number. This is all statements, okay, that we can whatever write. If you want, we can write anything, okay. Number, NV, or whatever it may be, whatever you write only that will display. It won't execute anything, okay. And you comma space WS NO. Full stop. Now we are displaying. We have assigned this value 123, and we are displaying this value. Okay. So let us see how the data will display. See, before that, we need to see what is the this variable data type is numeric. What is the length is 5. Okay. And what is the value? Only 3 bytes value we are assigning to numeric data type of length of 5. So how the data will store is 1, 2, 3. Okay, what about the remaining 2? So alphanumeric or alphabetic, the remaining byte will be spaces. Okay. Here, since it's a numeric, the data will store from the right to left. Since it's a 123 3 bytes, remaining two it will place two zeros here. Okay. This is very important. The difference between the alphabetic and alphanumeric and the numeric. How the data will be stored and how the data will be displayed. Okay. And next, WS account number. Picture 9 of 18, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Remaining all it will place as a 0. Okay. Hope you understood. Okay. Okay. If you want, you can write and execute in our mainframe and see. Okay, what is the output? It will display like this format only. Now another variable, a WS number 1. Okay. Now the picture class of this data type or variable is sin 9 of 3. Sin 9 of 3. The 3 byte with the sign we given, and we have assigned a minus value, negative value. And let us see what if we display what data, how it will going to display. So the data will get display here minus 123. Is it right? No, it is not right. Okay. Actually, how the data will store internally if you assign this value, and how the data will be a assigned, how the data will be displayed, the minus value in the output uh, is like, see, we have declared as a sign and we have passed a minus negative value. Once we assign this value internally, the data how it will store is uh, it will the sign value is over punched on the last byte. Okay, the sign is over punched on the last byte. How it will over punched on the last byte is, this is the last byte, right? It will over punched, but we cannot it won't show minus. Okay, while seeing it won't show minus, it will show L. Okay, 1 to L, the value is 1 to L. Here what is the L? Okay, we don't know, right? If you want, you can execute and see output will come to L only. If you assign minus 123 and display, it will display as a 1 to L only. I'll explain you how this data will be stored. Okay, so let us see some example. I somewhere coded and will explain you how the L will come. Okay, if suppose let us assume I have assigned plus 320. I have assigned the value plus 320, and if you display, the data will get display 3 to open bracket. That means the sign value is going to overpunch on the last byte. Plus 0 means open bracket, plus 1 means a, plus the last byte is 2, then the value is b. 3 plus 3 means it's a c, plus 4 means d. Like that it will overpunch. Like that 4 5 6 7 8 9 means d e f e h I. Okay, that is for positive value. If you move the negative value, minus 320 minus 0, last byte is 0, so the value is minus 0, value is last byte of the value minus 0 is close bracket, minus 1 last byte is, if it is 1 means, if it is a negative, then we will store it as a z. Like that k l m n and so on. Now our value is 120 minus 123, right? So here how it will store 1 to l. L means internally the program will understood minus 123. While testing, so sometimes we may put some display and we'll see the value. That time you people did not get there while seeing this value. I have moved 3 minus 123, right? Why system is displaying 1 to L? Okay, you need not to worry and you don't get there. Okay, the secret behind the story behind of this one. So the data will be how the data minus a value will be going to store into the variable is, if it is a positive, this is a separate value. The sign will be overpunched on the last byte of the value. Okay, this is the story behind this sign, how it's going to understood, how it's going to store and how it's going to display. Okay, and another one. Okay, this is very important. How to declare the variable for decimal value. Decimal value example is salary. Amount values, mainly amount values. In real time, we must use these variables. Okay, decimals we must use decimal. Sign will be defined as 9 of 8 v99. Okay, if we move past the value 123.22. Okay, v means assumed decimal point. So how many decimals? If suppose I have 123 rupees 22 paisa, means how we can declare as 9 of 3, get 9 of 3 v99. Okay, 123.22. So let us see how it's going to display. If I write the display wf amount, how the value will get display decimal value, right? 123.22. No, this is not right. Compiler will never, system will never display this value. The output is 123.22 only. So if you display and see, you will get scared. I have moved 123.22, right? Why it is 123.22? Where is the decimal value? How it's stored? But system will understand this is a 123.22 only. But while seeing, we cannot get confused. Okay, system can easily understand 123.22. So while seeing the data output file, you should not sum into one consideration like the value is 12,322. No, you should go and see the variable, corresponding variable in the working storage section or file declaration copybook field. Okay, and see the what is the data type that we have defined that variable for this position. Okay, okay, this is the sign. Okay, and 9 of 3 v99 decimal value, first 3 bytes and the remaining last two are 99. Okay, if we, for example, if you see 9 of 5, V99, how the data will get stored here? How the data will display 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, first 5 bytes, okay, and the remaining 2 bytes are decimal, okay. If suppose, if I declare another variable of W, salary, salary, share F 9 of 5, V99, value 5000, okay, value 5000 I declare, and now I display this variable. Can anyone guess what is the output? If I display, how the output will display? Salary is calculate. Can anyone guess and tell me what is the output we can see for double salary? For double salary, 5000, right? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 character, 4 decimals only. But we have declared as a 5 and assume decimal points too. Okay, first see, let us fill with the 5 digits, right? 1, 2, sorry. 0, only one is remaining, right? We can place it as a 0 and remaining 4 digits as our amount value, salary value. And what is the remaining? How the data will store for the assumed decimal? We don't have, right? The salary is 5000 only, but we have declared like that only. But if you move this value 5000 to this variable, how internally it will store is 0550 dot 00 only. Okay, if you don't have any value, it will default, it will take 00 only. But if you display, it will keep it as the assumed decimal point, but it won't display the uh, decimal. Okay, the assumed decimal it won't display. Okay, if you display this variable, the output is like that. While saying you don't come into one consideration, this value is 5 lakh. Okay, this is just 5000 only. How we can see? We need to see the corresponding variable and see the data type here and what value that we are going to assign. Okay, now let us see if we give this okay, you just try in your system. Okay, you come to know. Okay, we can keep try all these. Okay, because in real time, mainly while testing. Okay, while doing your unit testing, you come to know, you can come to, you need to face all these scenarios. Okay, if you are very clear on these concepts, so your work will be very easy. Or else you need to Google it, you need to search and find, understand, and you will struggle a lot. Okay, so to avoid this, if you are go through this and if you practice and do some examples, move to see more examples, practice more, then you come to know exactly what are the different types. In decimal points is a plus, what will happen? If you move minus, what will happen? Okay, like that. Okay, now I have moved minus 120 through this variable. What will happen is, if I suppose example minus 123, I assigned minus 123. If you move to this variable, if display, what it will display is, it won't display minus. Okay, it won't display minus because we have not declared any sign value here. Sign value we have not declared. Yes, so what it will display, it will show only 123. First to put two zeros and minus 123 only. While saying this, we can assume like, okay, this value is positive value, so you will get lot of issues. Okay, so you must define sign value here. Yes, so that only it will, or this value will be 3 means L, right? It will put as 3, it will put 3 as L. Okay, okay, you don't forget to use this sign. Okay, this is very important concept. Okay, I hope you all clear about this picture class and what are the different data types with how the decimal values and how the sign value will use. Okay, and with the different examples. I think this is the more than enough for a basic point of view, a beginning point. Okay. I hope you like this video. Oh, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Okay. Bye.